Hello friends, I am here to tell you about some tools you are going to use in further applications in developing Android. So we have already made a program Hello World and I am going to delete it. This is a text view. This is used to view text. Okay, you can see you have already used it. Now this is the large text view and this one is the medium and the smaller. Okay, this is a button, clickable button. You can click on it, you can move to next, you can print any message here also. This is a checkbox, the same checkbox you see in forms. This is a radio button, the same one which is used to differentiate between your male female. Remember button in forms. This is spinner. Spinner is used to show a menu, a drop down menu. This is progress bar. You can see progress bar during net surfing. This is progress horizontal. You can see it while installing Windows. This is a seek bar. It is used to seek from lower to maximum value. It changes your audio, your brightness, etc. Quick contact badge. It is used to print here a badge. Okay. These are radio groups, same as the radio buttons, and these are the rating bars. These are used mainly to rate your app. Text fields. Okay. This is a plain text. This is the person name, first name and last name both included here. And now we have to give password for sign in and sign up. So we have this menu. Again password for numeric only. Email IDs, phone number, address, multi-line text to give or ask user about to print something or give something input as a large text, to print time and to print date. Okay, here to print any number. It is an autocomplete text view. It is given so that to show that the user that you have completed this task. Now I will show things important to you. Okay, I am going to delete these things. Okay, this is a linear layout. Layout is used so that to put your buttons or the text in layout manner. Like if you are going to drag it here, okay, you are going to extend it up to here, okay, and if you are going to put these ones 1 and 2, you see that they are in linear way. Okay, so this is the linear layout vertical. Same will be as horizontal if we use it. Okay, now deleting this. And if we want to include both, then we use table layout, both horizontal and vertical. This is the best one, the relative layout. Okay, I have put it here, I have extended it up to here. Okay, I want to print a button on the required side. You can see here we have both horizontal and vertical margins. Okay, so you can put it here one, again you can put it here, and all the areas you want to put. Next we have composite. In composite we have expandable list views, grid views. All the list view we can have is here only. Apart from it, we have a web view via which we can go directly to the web page we require to add it. Image and media. To add image, gallery or video, we have images and media. To add time and date, we have time and date menu. To have a transition between images, text or any animation, we have transitions. And apart from it, we have some other advanced also, view and view stuff, gesture overlays, which will be used in Android program developing in advanced way. Thank you very much.